Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The Clarendon Fire Brigade is defending its operations. The response follows criticism of the time personnel took during a rescue and recovery operation after a crash in Swansea District Thursday. A woman was seriously injured in the crash, which involved a truck and a Toyota RAV4 motor vehicle.
The accident that happened this morning along the Bustamante bypass, and it took the fire brigade over 2 hours or more to remove that female from the accident. It begs me to ask the question, what is the condition of the tools system that the Clarendon Fire Brigade has? Because that woman could have lost her life during the length of time that she was trapped in that vehicle this morning here. So I'm really concerned about that incident, to know where we're at with tools at the Jamaica Fire Brigade, the Clarendon.
Councillor with Argent, I'll take note and have that rectified. I was on that scene from the time the car comes in. Accident is something which is a challenge for us. When we have accidents, it depends on the nature. That accident was extreme. That truck fell on the entire engine of the car, which was an international truck. For us, we have to request special service unit from Mandeville. Or over the next door construction links assist us with a crane. So our armature that we use to cut are used to extricate. It's not something that work with speed. For one reason, if you have something which is using speed and making a lot of noise, if that person is conscious, that person will be traumatized and maybe go into shock. So that tool that we use, it takes some time. At the same time, we have to cut, and it takes some time to cut because it's hydraulic. So we have to cut particular areas